Is that my sound effect for a transition? Hi, how have you been? Hola, I'm again. I'm back. Just want to update you guys. If you guys didn't know from my Insta story, I am in the process of losing weight. Yes, I want to lose 10 kgs or a little bit more. So I started exercising again, aka running. I'm just running for now. I'm not doing any weight exercise yet. And running sucks, dude. It's so hard. Anyway, I saw a pair of shoe and I said, I need a new pair of shoe. It will make me run better, I think. Yup, which brings me to this video because I bought a new shoe. And I bought it because I needed a new motivation to run. And also my old pair is starting to feel kind of boring. Then again, it's quite old already lah. And this Adidas 4D is actually a newer technology than Ultra Boost. So running should be easier, right? I hope so. Because if not, then I need to buy something else to motivate me to run already. Man, running is so hard. Do you guys have a favorite running shoe? Let me know down in the comments. So Adidas had a sale during the whole Corona thing. So I went to the website and there it was. The perfect colorway. Can we just all take a moment and just appreciate how beautiful this looks? Whoever took this photo, I give you one like. I need it. I've seen 4Ds before this, but none of the colorway really make me really excited other than the Daniel Asham's 4D. But that pair cost 4,000 ringgit. So second best choice it is. Let's go to the unboxing. Is that my sound effect for a transition? So I'm gonna test this shoe and tell you guys if the 4D actually runs better than Ultra Boost, because if not, then you guys don't have to waste your money, right? Wink. You're welcome. Hey guys, so I just finished my 1 hour run. Thoughts? Usually at some point of time during my run, because it's 1 hour, right, I usually have like several spots where I feel like giving up, and today it actually felt quite fast, the running session. So I think that is a good thing, right? That like I was just running and then time just flew by. My 1 hour run felt like 15 minutes. I'm not kidding. And I think this looked really great in person too. I definitely feel like when I was running, a lot of people was looking at my shoe and go like, whoa, what's the green thing down there? Those people who know would be like, whoa, this guy is wearing 4D. So overall, I think it's worth the upgrade in my opinion from Ultra Boost. I'm wondering if like actually my Ultra Boost is too old, so the cushion don't really feel that good anymore. But definitely looking forward to run tomorrow. So yeah, that's my final thought of the 4D. Oh yeah, by the way, if you guys are interested in my workout playlist, you guys can just go to my channel and find the playlist like so. Just wanted to share what I listen to when I work out. So anyway, I don't know if I'm gonna make a video for this, but the simplified plan is basically I'm gonna run 1 hour every weekday as disciplined as I can, and then hopefully in the process I will lose 10 kgs. Yep. That's the plan for now. So right now it's time for the last video comment time where I read out your comments and react to it. Yeah, here we go. Wow, Legends of Runeterra looks fun. Yeah. Go play it. Because winning a game of Runeterra makes you feel like you are smart. As Arof say, you got sponsored by Riot. Yup, your boy and Riot's tight. We have each other on speed dial, so anytime Riot be like, hey Joseph, we have a new game. Sure, just DM me the link and I'll play it. I've been playing games from Riot Games for so many years. It's about time. Alicia Tan say, hi card gamer. Hello. Hello Animal Crossing player. I think I actually want to show you guys our Animal Crossing island when it's, you know, all done up. If you guys didn't know, me and Alicia have been playing Animal Crossing every day, so. Benjamin Chelsea, hi Joseph, can you share a bit of what have you been up to lately? It seems like you've been inactive as a YouTuber. Smile. Well, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys want to watch more videos, you guys can click on the video on my left. And the best way to support my YouTube channel is to subscribe and also click the bell and change it to all so that you guys can be the first one to be notified when I have a new video. Alright, see you guys in the next one. Bye! Yeah buddy, but